this tutorial, we'll show you how to create an engaging image and video gallery using the section builder. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify theme editor. Scroll down, click on Add Section, and select Section Builder. Now, you have a blank canvas ready for customization. Start by adding a grid layout. Click Add Block and choose Grid. By default, it has 3 columns. Adjust the number of columns to 2 for a more structured design. Then, set the second column's row span to 2, making it stretch across the full height of the section for a striking visual effect. Next, select the content blocks for your gallery. Click Add Block and choose Image with Text for all 3 columns. Now let's edit each block. For the first column, customize the Image with Text block. Insert a heading, upload a desktop and mobile-friendly image. Add a button with a relevant call to action. And choose a color scheme that ensures good contrast between the text and image. Moving to the second column, let's make it dynamic with a background video. Choose Video for the background layout. Enter a heading. And then scroll down to upload your video file or paste a YouTube or Vimeo URL. Finally, add a button and adjust the color scheme to keep the text visible over the video. For the third column, repeat the process from the first column. Add an engaging heading, upload high-quality images, and insert a button to direct users to relevant content. And that's it. You now have a beautifully designed image and video gallery that enhances your store's visual appeal and keeps your customers engaged. If you need any help, our support team is always here for you.